How to buy SPX6900 on Coinbase. In this video, I will be showing you how you can buy SPX6900 on Coinbase. Okay, first thing that you're gonna need to do is log into your Coinbase wallet account. Then when you're on the account dashboard, before anything else, you should have a balance at least to be able to buy any coins you want. You can do that by clicking this buy icon. Then just input the amount of how much you want to buy it. Choose which coin you would like to buy, and that coin is what you're going to be using to buy SPX6900. Just choose any of this payment method right here, and once it's all set, you can now start buying the coins that you want. Click on the search icon and look for SPX6900. It will then take you here. As you can see, we are now here on the coins dashboard, and here we have the option to buy the coin. You can only click on that if you have a remaining crypto balance. So make sure to make a deposit first on a crypto that you want to pair with SPX6900. Then you can just go through the process and you'll then be able to buy this coin called SPX6900.